Okay, today no Arcdroid content other than using some of the stuff that I cut out on the Arcdroid last time. I'm no welder, but today I'm gonna weld this stuff together. Don't take this as any kind of an instructional video because I'm not the person to create that, and this is not that. But hopefully somebody's interested. I'm gonna fire up the welder and stick these things together and make these posts, so we'll see how it comes out. Got a little bit more grinding to do. I already cleaned up the pieces I cut out last time, and I think somewhere on here there's a video that's running right now showing that. And a little bit more grinding on this stuff, and we'll start gluing it together. Alright, so I put a bevel on these, the ends of these posts that the bases go onto. Next step, I think that's all the grinding I'm going to do. It's clean enough for what I'm doing. Next step will be welding, so I'll get some magnets out and get the bases set up and hopefully stick these things together. Again, like I said, I'm not a welder by profession or even by skill set, I guess, but hopefully I can stick these together good enough. Got a powerful enough welder, and I've welded a little bit, so we'll see what happens. Alright, so like I said, I'm not a welder, but I think this will hold pretty good. I don't want to say this is what you should do. I just don't want to appear to be hiding what I did do. So, there you go. Now I'll get those gussets. I'll have to grind the corners off the gussets and get those attached to each one. And the attachment points and the caps. So, keep going. Okay, so the gussets are on now. Again, like I said, not going to be beautiful welds, but I think it'll work. Got all 4 of them done. Next is the sail attachment points and then capping off the top of the post. Where you guys been? Now, my phone battery died, so you guys have been taking a break while I finish this up. But I did finish it, cleaned the shop up, or garage up, and I'll show you what I did. Got everything all assembled. All that stuff I cut out last video is now assembled into the shade structure or shade cloth support posts. There's the attachment points for the shade cloth, and then I capped all the posts. And that's it. 10 foot tall. They've got attachment points at 8 feet and 2 inches under 10 feet. And everything's all welded and gusseted. And again, I don't want to hide the welds, but they're nothing beautiful. I think they'll hold fine for what this is. So the next step for these things is to get them delivered. And my daughter can paint them whatever color she wants to paint them. And then we'll install them. Probably won't film any more of this, but I will take the camera out when it's all done and say, you know, here it is, shade cloth installed. Hopefully, hopefully everything works out. We don't break the cement or something, but no, I think it'll be good. And I'll bring you guys back next time when it's all complete, said and done. But that's it for the stuff I cut out and shade structure posts. Thanks for watching.